Hey friends, if you wish to disable or enable JavaScript in your Firefox browser, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. Open the Firefox browser and type about colon config. About colon config. Wait. About colon config. Now click on accept the risk and continue and type JavaScript in the search bar. There are a lot of options here, but there's something which says JavaScript.enabled. Enabled is the policy on it and JavaScript is JavaScript. So you have to find JavaScript.enabled. To disable it, turn this switch here, the toggle switch, and it will become false. JavaScript enabled false means that JavaScript will be disabled. So we're saying that JavaScript is not supposed to be enabled by making it false, and to enable it, simply change it to true. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.